WhatsApp new group settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on a device and then select on any of the group that you want to update your group settings for. Now make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and also make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp application. Now as you tap on the group, tap on the group name over here at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap on the option of group permissions over here. So tap on group permissions and you'll be able to see different options over here. So here you can see the option of edit group settings, send messages, add other members and approve new members. You can also edit your group admins over here by tapping on it and selecting whoever you want to select as another group admins. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.